395.
Lot 242, the 1964 Ferrari 250 GT Lusso Berlinetta, the most beautiful Ferrari road car in the most beautiful color combination, Blue Sera over tobacco leather. The consigner, an avid enthusiast of the most impressive GT machinery, commissioned a superb restoration by the preeminent shop of motion products, matching numbers and undergoing Classic K certification. This is a blue chip Ferrari in every sense of the word. The most beautiful road going Ferrari in the most beautiful colors, the Lusso.
It's absolutely magnificent, Lusso, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to open the bidding here at $1 million, absolutely. $1 million avec toi. 1 million. 1 million I have bid from France at $1 million. Do I have $1,200,000? $1,200,000. On est 1,200,000. Est-ce que j'ai 1,4 million avec toi? Merci. $1,400,000. Do I have $1,500,000? Absolutely, sir. I'm here to help. $1,500,000. On est 1,500,000. Est-ce que j'ai 1,6 million? 1,6 million si tu veux. 1,600,000. Merci. At $1,6 million. Would you bid me $1,7 million, sir? $1,7 million. Thank you. $1,7 million on my left. We're at $1,700,000. On est 1,700,000. C'est contre toi. Est-ce que j'ai 1,8 million maintenant? 1,800,000. $1,800,000 from France. At $1,8 million, would you bid me $1,9 million, sir? $1,900,000. On est 1,900,000. Est-ce que j'ai 2 millions de dollars maintenant? 1,950,000. Merci, bien sûr. 1,950,000 avec toi. $1,950,000 I bid from France. Do I have $2 million now? You're out on my left. J'ai toi 1,950,000. I got you at $1,950,000. It is against you here on my left on this magnificent Lusso. Do I have $2 million anywhere in the room now? At $1,900,000. Enchère est toujours avec toi. 1,950,000. It's still with you. At $1,950,000. Do I have $2 million now? No? Are you sure? At $1,950,000. $2 million. At $2 million, c'est against you, c'est contre toi. À $2 millions. Est-ce que j'ai 2,1 millions? Tu veux pas acheter la voiture? C'est comme tu veux. À $2 millions, when you're out here in front of me, that's $2 million now. Any advance? That's $2 million anywhere now. That's $2 million then. You're out on my left as well, and you're out here in front of me. It's against you both, ladies and gentlemen. C'est contre toi. Plus d'enchères, pas de faute. At $2 million then, if we're all done, and I'll finish at just $2 million if there's nobody bid, and then we're all done, and I'll finish at $2 million. T'es sûr? Une petite si tu veux? Nope. At $2 million then. Pass that one, $2 million.